In this video I'll show you how to install a plugin manually. It's very simple. You need to go to your dashboard area of your WordPress, then you go down to plugins, click add new, and that will bring you to this page here where it says add plugins. Now what you can do, you have an opportunity, if the plugin you know is a popular one or recommended one, you can click on either of those two tabs and that will then give you the plugin to search for there. If you just want to manually search for a plugin, you simply type the plugin name in here where it says search plugin. And if you wanted to install a health check and troubleshooting one or BuddyPress, all you would literally do is click on that plugin there and click install. That will then put it into your plugins area, and once that's done, then you will be able to activate it. Let's just take you to my installed plugin so you can see, because I've got Gutenberg on mine which has not yet come out. So you would click on the installed plugins then, and that will take you to your plugins area. And as you can see here, this is how I've got all of my plugins completely. And as you can see here, I've got Gutenberg. Now I haven't activated Gutenberg as yet because it needs to be learnt a little bit more of. But if you want to activate any plugin, you simply click activate, and that will actually activate the plugin that you can have quite happily and normally onto your blog. So that's how you do it. And if you've liked this video and liked the information contained within it, simply click on the subscribe button below and that will subscribe you to this channel. And then if you click on the bell icon next door to that, that will then notify you of every video that's uploaded to this channel, and you won't miss out on any tips, tricks or marketing tips at all. And if you want to get good social media training and premium WordPress training, then simply go to davehayes.co and click on the banner on the right hand side, top right hand side, to get yourself a free account to get free premium WordPress and social media training. Thanks very much indeed for watching.